Hey guys, Joey from Carns Equipment. Today I have for you a 2026 Polaris Sportsman 450 HO. Very nice machine. You can see that on this one we have the gray and blue paint scheme on it. Not a whole bunch of blue, but there's enough to really catch your eye. You're going to have a big heavy duty rack on the front of this. This is plastic. On the bottom here, heavy duty polymer, and it's going to flip up like this. So that's nice and light, but it's strong for you. Right there's your battery, so it's nice and easy to get to. If you ever have to jump it, replace your battery, whatever you'd like. There's some storage in there as well with some plugs, so if you get some water in there, you can drain it out. And those just clip right back up there, and that's nice and secure. Around the side here, you're going to have some nice aggressive tires on this, but they're not so much it's going to tear the yard up. So you don't have to worry about getting stuck, but you don't have to worry about making ruts in the yard. You got some heavy duty steel wheels. You do have a full digital display up front here. So that's going to be your speedometer, all of that stuff. It's going to show you everything you need to see up here. You got a 12 volt right there if you want to run a spotlight or a cell phone charger or anything like that. And then right there is a trickle charger. So it's already wired in for you. You just need to get the piece that goes from there to the wall. So that way in the wintertime or anytime you're not running this, it's going to slowly trickle a charge to the battery so it doesn't ever go dead. This is a all-wheel drive machine. You got your switch on the bars. You can run it two-wheel drive or all-wheel drive. You got that same heavy-duty plastic rack on the back, so it's nice, sturdy. It's not going to break, but it's not really heavy either. So we're keeping the weight down on this thing. It's a really nice, nimble machine. It's really fun to ride. Come on down to Carns Equipment, take a look at it, and take it home.